Hi guys, welcome back. We're on tour Dridgers. If you're new here, we're a full-time travel couple from the UK. We're currently in New Delhi in India.
And we've got cows all around us. It's real crazy. Obviously it's very hectic. We are just heading down to the Aero City because we need to travel right across the other side of Delhi today. And the only way we're going to do that is, obviously there's lots of ways of doing it, but the way we're going to do it is we're going to try Delhi Metro for the very first time. I'm super excited to try it. I've heard so much about it.
Trying to like get around these cows. There's like hundreds of them here. They're ready, steady, go. I really forgot how mental it is here. It's like senses overdriving. Like there's noise, like sounds coming from everywhere. You just don't know where you're going or coming off. What?
I was wondering what you meant. Sensors overdrive.
What's the word?
I think that's right, but I've just never heard anyone say it.
It's just so mental here. Oh, ready, we've got a clear path. Here, you just go for it, wherever. Whoa. We're trying to find the start of the metro, the Aero Metro. I need to check my map out. Give me a second. Problem with handbags on. Every single taxi and tuk-tuk's pulling over going, airport, airport. But no, we're just going to the metro station.
The thing is, because we have got to get 3 different metros, there's not a better, like, I know it's like we have to do it, but it's the best time to try Delhi Metro. So
this metro is located in the Aero City. Aero City is like a developed area here in Delhi. Alright, you've got a men's and ladies section to go through, and then a scanner for your bag. Don't know, we're going orange line, aren't we?
Orange line, yeah.
Check the sign. So we're taking, oh, might be the red line. So, looks orange to me.
Sir, but you gave me 380.
40 rupees, 2 tickets for an hour on the metro, so that is super, super cheap.
Love it. My ticket?
Yep.
Scan it. Guessing here? Up there? Yes, we're through.
Oh.
You scan there, we've got like a QR code. And we're going to, the first tram we need is the New Delhi one, so a little bit confused. Does that say New Delhi? So we've got one over there and one over there.
Thank God for Google Maps. Just, you put where you're going in. Obviously everyone knows Google Maps, but it tells you the platform and everything. It's literally saving our life at the moment. Love it.
I'm well excited to use this. It looks proper new. They're building like loads of stuff around it, so I don't know if they're extending it or building buildings. This looks quite new. We never got to try the metro the last time here, so I'm quite excited.
We're quite lucky that it's quiet at the moment.
Yeah, I was going to say that
Good
actually.
time.
It's really quiet.
4.8 million passengers a day, so obviously this gets really, really, really busy. And literally it's so quiet, there's no one even here.
We're on the wrong platform.
Oh, because we're on the wrong platform.
We knew it. We knew we got it wrong. Do you think it's that platform one? The other way? Yeah, we've just gone the wrong ways. That's going that way. We want to go that way, so we've just got to go. No one's going that way. No one's. That way's into New Delhi. Let's try this again. But that's coming up. So this is the one we want. We want the one heading to New Delhi. So it wasn't platform 1. It was platform 2. Don't know what Google was on about.
Yeah, don't trust Google. Ignore what I just said.
It's still dead down here as well. There's a train, it's pulling up. 20 seats. Stand up. Okay, it's quite busy, there's no seats. We're going to stand over out of the way.
So this actual line, this opened in 2002. It actually seems like really new, like really modern. So obviously they've got new trains and stuff. This train's got all seats and stuff. So I assume it's just the airport line. So maybe this is like a brand new line. impressive. Aircon's nice, super modern, and spotlessly clean, no rubbish whatsoever. Right, first impressions, really impressive. We have got 2 more trains and 3 more stops on the next trains. It's not over yet, we're just navigating it and we're sort of going with the flow, but we're getting somewhere. I'm quite happy with how it's going.
Right, Ben.
Yeah, good.
It's not as hectic and busy as I thought it'd be. Oh, we're bumping in front, are we? Lift it and put it back down. No.
This is not allowed from this.
Not allowed. As you saw, we tried to get out, but we just checked our tickets and it's done us to the very first stop. So let's go and sort this out. But it looks like you can't even buy tickets in there, so I don't know how we're going to get out.
Yeah.
Yeah, how are you going to get there? It's the other side of the thing.
Yeah.
Okay, we had to pay 60 more rupees to get out, and now we've got to buy a new one, I think, for our line. So we're messing this up completely.
Yeah.
And I just got shouted at for filming in there. I don't know what the rules are, but I'm still carrying on. I can't see any signs, and nothing online says that we can't film, so
Perhaps she just didn't want to be filmed.
maybe she didn't want to be in it. Well, I wasn't directly, I was just filming the area. But you'd think while I'm filming, Ben would direct us, but instead he just wanders. Oh my god, this is hard work. We tried to do the ticket counter downstairs, but you've got to go upstairs to the yellow line to get the ticket. So I think it's like different counters for each train line.
We're struggling.
One.
We're really struggling.
We're hoping this is right. So it's just 40 rupees, 20 rupees per ticket. Let's go through. Yay! Alright, we're through. Now we just got to work out the platform and where to go. I'm just going to go down one and see if it's ours. Pre-warning, if you're going to get the metro anywhere, give yourself a lot of time.
Right, so this is definitely a lot more busy. That was just like an airport line, the first one. So we're just like, one prepared for this. 2 trains down. So as I say, that was a really busy one. 1 more to go. We are literally getting there, but we're like 9 minutes away. 1 more train. Got to work this out. I think we need to get another ticket. Right, we're literally getting there now. It's so, honestly, it's so difficult, but everyone is being so nice and proper helpful. Everyone's just helping us. We literally went to a security guard and he printed tickets off us and let us through. That's how helpful everyone is. Mega squashed on this one. This is probably the worst one. Not long though, and we'll be there.
Because the metro is like quite busy and hectic, but it's not nowhere near as busy as I thought it'd be. It's just like rush hour kind of busy, but the aircon is like a lifesaver on it because it's so good. But like I said, it's like no rubbish. It's very modern, very clean, very white and clean. It is actually a really amazing metro. It's better than ours at home. It's been a bit of a mission, as you've seen, trying to get the tickets, but once you've worked out the system and know how to do it, it's pretty easy. You just got to make your way to the line and get your ticket near your line. And we haven't sussed out. I think if you get a card, you can get all your tickets, but I think you have to get more separate if you don't get a card. But we don't know how the card works. Maybe next time we'll try it. We've done. We've made it. It should have took us an hour. It took us an hour and 45 minutes, but that's us.
Is that how long it took us?
Yeah. I'll definitely use it again. Now we've got the hang of it, 100%. It's so cheap as well. In total, we spent 170 rupees, so no brainer, we should do it. Ben, do you know which way? Because I don't. No, thank you. No. There's loads of tuk-tuks here, but we do walking. It's only 9 minutes away from our accommodation.
Hello.
Hello. Which way are we looking, Ben?
Oh, you jump.
Ah, no thanks. Hello, John. They call the bikes rituals as well, but I'm so excited for the tuk-tuks rituals. The rituals out here, aren't they?
Rituals out there.
Rituals.
Sorry, Reanne, but obviously we just got to a new area and I'm sort of gauging what's near us. Just spotted a coffee day. Love a coffee day. That's a walkable distance. Also, there's going to be some good places to eat around here. Can't wait to explore this area. Can't wait to explore Delhi properly.
Also, we need to find a supermarket, get some water in, stock up on little bits like that. That looks nice, 24/7. Looks like fried food, chicken and that there. This is literally just down the road from where we're staying. It's so good. Oh wow, this looks good. The street has got loads of food. We've got loads of juice stands, food stands over there. Ben, do we need to turn yet? Oh, repair a key. My key is broken at home. Should have brought it here. Well, our street, oh, hello. Hello, no. Our street looks so cool. We're like, loads of stores, food and drink. It looks so good, look. Hello! Food looks so good around here. Oh my god, I think we've got some samosas up here. Literally, this is like 1 minute away from our place. Ben. I'll be getting them every day. This is one of the hardest things, trying to find your hotel, because it's OYO hotel. It's got to go into like someone's shop probably to get to it. But Ben's trying to figure it out. Alright, some kind guy. The point that it indicates on the Google map is his shop, and he said no, I think it's around here on the main street. So we're just checking it out. Everything looks the same to me. We're looking for like a glass building. It should stand out. Alright, we're not sure it is, so these guys are helping him. Right? Thank you. So supposedly that way, and then right. How nice are people though, they're like really helpful. At the moment it don't look like our hotel exists, so this guy's taking us somewhere. Might be one there, might be our hotel. Room for rent there. That's like a whole apartment.
Yeah, you have the Wi-Fi, you have all the Wi-Fi, this is the air conditioner. So how much is this? How many days you think? 5 days.
Okay, we've got a place, but we haven't got enough cash out. And the first ATM we just went to didn't work, so we're heading to another one. They're like throwing us on these mopeds. Let's hope we made the right choice then. We just handed over 8,000 rupee cash for 5 nights at this accommodation. We've left both of our bags there. We're hoping everything's all right. But they seemed really nice people. So fingers crossed we made a right choice, just
Wait till we show us.
Just going with someone in the road. I'm looking forward to showing you this place because it is a whole apartment. We originally rented 25,000 for it, but we got it down to 15,000. Hello,
yeah, man.
YouTube.
What is the channel name?
On tour with Dridgers. I haven't got a sticker with me, otherwise I'll give you it.
Okay, can I come in the video?
You can be in our video. What's your name?
Chubby.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
I'm
You
Reanne.
are the best. This is what we got from a random guy on the street in Delhi. Let's have a look. Sitting area. This place is huge as well. Bedroom 1 with an ensuite. Kitchen. It's got AC, fans. This includes all the electricity. We've got bedroom 2 and another ensuite. Honestly, unbelievable. We're gonna get ourselves sorted and then we're gonna head out for some food. So see you in a bit.
Okay, we're heading back out for some food now. We're both starving.
Well, I'm looking on Google Maps for things to do, and there's these really famous momos. It does say famous momos, so let's try some famous momos.
Well, thanks. So we found this place, Auntie's Momos, and we're gonna get the paneer fried ones. So we've ordered the fried paneer momos, which was 120 rupees, but they're gonna take 5 minutes. But the steam ones are a lot cheaper, the steam momos up there. So you can have veg, paneer or chicken, so you can get 4 pieces. You can get 4 pieces of the steamed veg ones for 50. Oh my god, literally, there's always horns going in.
My experience with momos, ate them a lot in Nepal. Steam ones are not as good as fried ones.
No, fried ones are definitely better,
Fried
I'd
ones are
say. But this one's really busy, so that I'm glad we picked it. There's a massive queue all around. And it goes like all the way around, so it's this bit and that bit. Thank you. I'm well excited to try these. We're gonna find a seat over here. So we've got our deep fried momos. We went for the paneer ones. We've got 8 here. Look how big they are. And then we've got our sauces. We've got like a green one, and it looks like a spicy red one. So we've got the paneer ones. So we're gonna try the sauce. Oh my god, they're well nice. It's got like loads of cheese in it. It's literally just falling apart in it. That sauce is like a yogurt with like a herby taste to it. It's got a little bit of a kick, but these are well nice. Let's try this other one. Oh,
Spicy.
really spicy. Oh, it's like it's a really tomatoey one with a little bit of a sweet kick. I'm gonna rip one to show you. They're really, they're hot. They're made to order. But look at all the paneer inside.
Yum.
It looks well good. And it looks like you've got some like onions or cabbage and that in there. It's really full, so it really seasons well and tastes really good. And then you've got the really nice crispy momo on the outside. That's why I prefer the deep fried ones to the steamed ones, because they've got that like rubbery taste. It's just not for me.
I like the crispiness.
These are, delicious. I'd rather it without the sauce, I think.
Let me try one. Yum. Oh, they're amazing.
Seasoned really well.
So good. And I know what you mean, like the crispiness with the oil and stuff. Wow, nice. Let's give it to the woman. There you go. Yeah? Okay, thank you.
It always ends up happening to us. Like the beggars come over when we're eating, we just can't eat it all, and we end up giving it to them. So
The problem is, right, you say you've got no money, but then they're like asking for something to eat. You just can't not give them it.
I'd rather give food anyway, all day, and they only cost us like 120 rupee. And now we can go and try another flavour if we want.
That's it. So hit like, because we need to make the money back, because we keep giving it away.
We're joking, obviously.
We're joking, obviously.
Oh, it's turned really hot now. It's like evening time. I think it's about 4 o'clock. It's definitely getting like a lot busier. It's like a marketplace like right near us. So we're just taking an explore around here and seeing what there is. There's loads of little shops, beautiful Indian dresses, jewellery shops, handbags, food, loads. We just popped to the shop, got 2 cans of Coke Zero, a toilet roll and 4 large bottles of water, and it comes to 230 rupees. Hi! I'm gonna love the prices here in India.
So make sure you watch the next video, because we got 5 more days here in Delhi to explore, so subscribe.
The hotel we booked is literally a 15 more. The hotel we booked. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, where's Ben? Well, every time I try and speak, the horn goes.